Good morning and happy Easter. I can't think of a better place to kick off Easter. Look at this, Fort Myers Beach looking gorgeous. That pink shell camera, blue skies, so much sunshine, some beachgoers setting up. Everybody is going to really enjoy that forecast as we go throughout the afternoon because those temperatures are going to warm right on up into the upper 70s to low 80s in the next couple of hours. And then by this afternoon, we're talking upper 80s to low 90s. So going to be a significant warm up as we go throughout the day. 78 degrees right now, and you can see we are very close to that 80-degree mark across all of Southwest Florida, from Clewiston, Punta Gorda, Fort Myers, Babcock Ranch, all reaching temperatures of 79 degrees right now. 78 in Golden Gate, 78 also in Arcadia. Sun and clouds overhead as we go throughout the afternoon today, and staying breezy just like yesterday with those winds out of the southeast around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Upper 80s in some of our inland spots, and then we're seeing some of the low 90s mixed in there as well. We're seeing Lehigh Acres 90 degrees today, Port Charlotte 90 degrees, 94 Fort Myers. Normal this time of year would be around 86 degrees, but how far is that from our average to our record high? Well, we're forecasting 90 degrees today, but our record high is 94 degrees, so we're a few degrees shy from tying that record. So I know it's going to be a hot one, but not record high heat today. In the upcoming days, though, we could very well at least tie some records across our area. Right now, though, staying nice and dry, looking at Wind Live Doppler 3X radar, you're not going to see any rain as we go throughout the day today and really this entire week as we stay rather dry. And I know we need that rain. I'll show you that drought index in a second. But looking at future track as we go throughout the day, southeasterly flow as far as those winds, and then you can even see out in the Gulf more of a southerly flow into the afternoon and the evening hours, staying dry, sun and clouds overhead, and then partly cloudy skies later on this evening. But there's that drought index. Notice that since dry season started, which started on October 15th, and that technically ends around May 15th, I mean, we are just really dry. Seeing about that 5-inch deficit in Naples, 8-inch deficit in Venice, even our inland areas feeling that deficit as well. So we definitely need that rainfall, and we're not really seeing it on our models. In fact, over the next week, maybe a 1/10 of an inch of rain. But aside from that, we are staying dry, so not drought busting by any means. And you can see that here on our 7 to 10 day forecast. A stray shower possible towards the end of the week, but as for today, 90 degrees for tomorrow. Rinse and repeat with that same pattern overhead. Stray shower possible towards the end of the week.
Lauren.